welcome to another Railfanning Max video. So, sorry guys, first of all, I want to point off, sorry that I haven't been posting for a little bit. It's because I've been busy lately, and it's because of school, and mainly I haven't had any time to post any videos. But I have something for you today. So, I'm gonna pretty much do some of my old videos, or show some of my old videos that I haven't shown. So, today's video is from March 12th, 2022, even though you're seeing this in 2023. I am currently editing this as of Tuesday, January 10th, 2023. But I do want to point off a second thing. You might be hearing some wind noise, but please disregard that, and you might not hear my voice very well. That's mainly the one thing. And that's pretty much all I have to say. So, hope you enjoyed the video, and now let's get into it. So, we were trying to catch F783 at the quarry. It was F783 when I shot the video. Now it's L646. But he didn't show up, and apparently they were still at the yard. But when we arrived at Taylor Street, I heard that there was a train coming, and that train would be A757, now L837 as of 2023. So, I will flip to me, and now let's go to March 12th, 2022.
Hey guys, Railfanning Max here again. That horn you can hear in the background is A757. We were going to catch F783 heading down to the Martin Marietta quarry, but I don't think he has come yet. But A757 is coming up here, so I'm going to flip the camera around here in just a second, and we are going to see A757. So, here we go. Alright, here comes A757. No tripod today. It's windy out here. 21 miles per hour wind gusts. So, if you hear wind noise, I'm sorry, that's the wind's fault. But here's A757 come up here at Taylor Street. Don't forget the milepost name. But I'll record it right here, because I'm not. AK 460.11 milepost. Here comes A757 headed to KMAC. I think near 3380 and 3310. I've caught an A757 like a long time, like almost 45 times. But here he goes to KMAC. Let's see if we can get a horn show today. Here it goes.
something weird happened right after A757 cleared. As soon as A757 cleared the yard, and we were still at Taylor Street at the time, there was a power move following right after A757, which I consider weird, but because it usually doesn't happen, but it happened, so here's me reacting to it in the next video.
My goodness, look, there's another train chasing A757. What? There's the end of A757. And look, we have another power coming. This is interesting. Very interesting. A train chasing A757. I've never seen this happen. Well, let's see this power. There goes A757 heading to K-Mac. But what? I've never seen this happen. It's kind of interesting. This lone power. I wonder if it's runaway. Sorry for the wind gusts. Let's see this guy.
Didn't you?
I was like, there's a train chasing the A757. I was like, what? There it is. Oh, he is? Alright. There he is. There's Mr. Cheeseburger. Let me get out of the way. There you go. 944 and 5271 is the power. That's Scott's power.
See, I told you guys Scott would appear. Anyways, going back to the video, we were chatting for a few minutes, and apparently this was Scott's train, F783, which is now L646, as I mentioned previously. So, they had to wait for A757 to clear up at the 11th Street switch between 11th Street and Fenwick Street, the McCormick sub and Georgia sub switch. Anyways, so they were waiting at Taylor Street for a few minutes, and they had told us what was going to be happening. So they were a light power move to pick up quarry cars, as I mentioned previously, again, at the start of the video. So they were running down there to get some cars and then come back, but they told us they had to wait. So their scheduled plan was they had to wait for a Q693 to pass too, and we would later catch that guy too. They said he would be coming up. So they had to wait. So they were waiting at Taylor Street for A757 to clear up. Then they were going to go down to the quarry to get their cars, then wait on an M693 and Q693, and then come back with their cars. So now, let's watch them pull out.
F783. Scott's gonna bring the power down. Off they go. Here goes Scott with the power. Yeah. Take care now. Take care. 5271. There goes the power for F783. And there goes. And there they go. And there they go. Next train to come on the recording side will be Q693-12. Then, after that, F783, which was that train right there, will come from our Marietta and bring the load from our Marietta back here. So, yeah. That's going to be it for now.
So after we saw F783's power, we went to the yard for a little bit, but it was pretty much dead. We got told by the train master, we knew him, but he told us that Q693 wouldn't be coming in till about 1:30. And that he was pretty much right, but 4 minutes late, because at 1:35-ish, he started coming in. So we rushed over to 15th Street Railroad Crossing to catch him. And here's that video.
You don't need to get up there close now, okay?
Alright. Here comes 693. The crossing just activated down there, and this one will go here in just a second. Anyway, here comes 693. I think Q693-10 is what Scott said. Here comes 693. I'm just going to try to get an action shot of the crossing real quickly. Let's see when that one goes. Didn't make the good Powderworks, but I was going to get a shot at Powderworks, but we made it here. But here he comes. On the McCormick sub, heading toward Augusta. There goes that one. Alright, here comes 693. Q693-10, I want to say. I'm not sure. Or 12. I think it's 10, so this one's late. Heading to Waycross. Yeah! 954. EP sticker. 723. 723. And 3383. was on A757 earlier today. This is a long 693 today. Oh look, some graffiti. A different language.
So after that Q693 passed, we tried to go to the powder works to catch F783 coming back with its quarry hoppers. Now, what I didn't realize is that F783 had to wait for that Q693 to clear, and they said it wouldn't be for a while till they leave because that Q693 had to get a new crew. So they had to wait at Powder Works until that Q693 would clear. And so after that, we saw him pull in, but I'll share one more picture, and then that will be the it. So I'll go ahead and say this. I hope you guys had a great time enjoying the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye everybody.